So, UMkhize is troubled by the teeth. UMkhize uphethwe ngamazinyo. Okay. Yeah. UMkhize is a surname. So that's this guy's surname. Uphethwe is troubled by the teeth. So UMkhize, we're talking about UMkhize.
Yeah.
So if you're talking to UMkhize, it would just be Mkhize.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That you is remember there where it's got
Yeah.
you, she or he or whatever.
Yeah.
If he
With
was
the-
talking
with-
directly to Mkhize, there wouldn't be the you before his name. Because
Yeah.
they're talking about him.
Asithi Spiro wena ngumkhize, wena ngumkhize. So mangithi sawubona Mkhize. UMkhize
Unjani.
unjani UMkhize. Yeah. So talking to you, just Mkhize. Drop the initial U when talking to someone. Put the initial U when talking about someone. Cool. So UMkhize, he felt wezwa ubuhlungu, pain in his tooth.
Is in red.
Yeah. So UMkhize, he felt pain in his tooth. UMkhize wezwa ubuhlungu ezinyweni. Ezinyweni. You want to try that stuff? So UMkhize, just repeat every word after me so you can hear. So UMkhize wezwa ubuhlungu ezinyweni. How? My wife, unkosikazi, that also has a U in front of it normally. Unkosikazi is a wife, but now saying, hey, how, wife, how, unkosikazi. Yeah. Nkosikazi. Yini is why, wenze, did you make? Itiye. Tea. Yini, that is hot. Kangaka, so much. That's so hot. Yini wenze itiye elishisa kangaka. That's hot so much. Okay, you want to try that? How? Nkosikazi. Yini. Why? Wenze, did you make? Wenze. And then tea is itiye, which is hot. Elishisa. So much. Kangaka. Yeah. Okay. Next one. The pain, ubuhlungu, got him down a lot. Bamcindezela. Yeah, cool. Eh? But I'll just read from now. Yeah. So ubu, the pain, got him down a lot. Ubuhlungu bamcindezela kakhulu, a lot. Got him down. Bamcindezela. Yeah. So now I've now finished. Sengiqede all onke the disciplines. Ama discipline. It doesn't do anything. Aguthinda. Lutho. Nothing. Mkhize. Okay, number 3, next one. The family told him, umndeni wamyalela to go to ukuya, to the doctor, kudokotela of the teeth, ngamazinyo. Kodwa, but he refused. Wanqaba Mkhize. Mkhize, yeah. Nice cue, bro.
quite fascinating that
All these things, yeah.
they say instead of him, you have the person's name. So it's like
The him, if you look at that last sentence, wanqaba Mkhize, that wa is a he in the past tense. That's where the he is. It's all, everything's together in Zulu. Yeah. So that wa is he in the past tense. It's a he and it's a tense marker at the same time. So it's very, very. Hi, I'm not going. Angiyi. Ngi in the middle over there. You see ngi from gia. Yeah, and we have an a in the front as well from the negative stuff. Angiyi, and this yi at the end is from ya, to go to. Ya was also at the top. Umdeni wamyalela ukuya. That's third word. Ukuya means to go to. That's ukuya. Angiyi. Hi, I'm not going. Angiyi. They do benza things, izinto, yeah, that are scary over there. Ezisabisayo lapha. Yeah, that are scary. Ezi, that, sabisayo, that are scary. Ezisabisayo lapha. Lapa, lapo, sorry, lapo over there. Lapa is over here. Yeah. Okay, number 4. Okay, so the pain of the tooth. You see, like the English at the bottom here, it just says the pain was too much for ngamazinyo. But the Zulu at the top, it says the pain of the tooth. Ubuhlungu bezinyo. So, yeah, of the tooth. Ubuhlungu bezinyo. It conquered him. Bamnqoba umkhize. Yeah, nqoba is to conquer. Yeah, so noma is also even if. It's an or and it's an even if. Noma udokotela, even if the doctor uses esebenzisa impinches, you know, a pincher, yeah. Impinches is pliers. There's nothing left. Akuselutho. At the doctor of the teeth, kudokotela wamazinyo. So the ku in front is at. Kudokotela, at the doctor of the teeth. Kudokotela wamazinyo. So UMkhize, meaning Mr. Mkhize, the Mkhize, was waiting. Wayelinde his chance, but Zulus switched the other way around. So that's the chance of his. Ithuba lakhe. To enter lokungena to the doctor of the teeth. Kudokotela wamazinyo. Futhi inkinga, khona is a problem here. Inkinga ngoba udokotela Zuma lapha. Yabona signboard. By the umnyango, by the door. Udokotela Zuma lo. Ish. Inkinga is a problem. Inkinga. Okay. Ngikhize uthi, this pain, lobuhlungu, it's above me. Bungaphezu kwami. Yeah, it's too much for me. If you're working hard at a language, you're doing it wrong. It must just be easy, like just relaxing. Okay, so number 2, bezwa, zwa, to hear, big noise, a noise which is big. Umsindo omkhulu, of the machine of the doctor. Womshini kadokotela. Yeah, exactly. It's like, oh, ngati, it seems like, ngati, he drill, ngeke, never, ngeke, yeah, never, ngeke, yeah, it becomes very, Zulus are very like, ngeke. Okay, so he stood up, Umkhize. Wasukuma Umkhize. He zama. Mina nguzamani. Nguzamani mina. Ngunuzama lapha. Zamani means to, you remember?
Try.
So he tried. To run away, yeah. Wazama ukubaleka. Yeah. So you see that zama in there? To try. That's how that goes. Perfect. was ukubaleka. Hayi, the tooth, izinyo, isn't sore anymore. Alisebuhlungu. Manje now. Now I am hamba.
Sengiyahamba, I'm going.
Yeah, now I'm going. Hamba kahle, that's with the hamba. Sengiyahamba, I'm now going. Sengiyahamba. Okay, next one.
Just interrupt. If he's trying to say to someone, I'm trying to whatever, then how would you use that word trying? Zamani or just zama?
Zama. Ngiyazama. Ngiyaphila, I am well. Ngiyazama. Ngiyaphuza. But whatever verb you want.
Z-A-M-A.
Yeah.
And then the wazama.
This is now in the long ago past tense. Wa, he tried. Yeah.
Ngiyazama.
I'm trying. Yeah.
Ikhuluma isiZulu.
Ngiyazama ukukhuluma isiZulu. Exactly. Number 4. Umamsomi. This is now Umkhize's wife. Who's now she's not Mamkhize, she's not Mrs. Umkhize. She's Mamsomi. Msomi is her maiden name. So traditionally in the house, the wife is still called by her maiden name. In household terms. So names change and stuff to Mkhize technically, but she's still called Mamsomi, Mrs. Msomi. Umamsomi, no gogo, and granny. That makes sense. Mamsomi, no gogo, no. Yes, epic. They caught him. Bam. They caught him. They set him. Pansi. This down. Bam hlalisa pansi. Yeah. How? Gogo uthi how? This is a disgrace. Ihlazo leli. Yeah. A man which is old, indota, endala, it is running away. He's running away. Iyabalega. And we could say also insizwa iyabalega. The young man is running away. Insizwa iya. And indota, the man, iyabalega. So there's a clue with the beginning. I in beginnings go I. Hi, Mamsomi says, hi, my love. Sithandwa. Izinto are things. Izinto, which are small. Ezincane. Lazy, these. Yeah, lazy is another these. So these are just small things. Izinto ezincane lezi. So in the chair, estulweni of the doctor. In the chair, estulweni of the doctor, sika dokotela of the teeth, ngamazinyo. So Umkhize was sitting, Umkhize ehlezi in the chair of the doctor, estulweni sika dokotela of the teeth is hidden there, ngamazinyo. Isn't that? It's all messed up there. Estulweni in eThekwini. Yeah, mina ngihlezi estulweni nami. Ngihlezi estulweni. Angithi isitulu, but estulweni, and we also have eThekwini in Durban. That's where that comes from. In Durban, in Durban. Okay, estulweni. Now he says, Umkhize uthi, but kanti, I'm going to be killed. Am I going to be killed? Ngizobulalwa yini? Ngizobulawa yini? Number 2, the doctor examined. Udokotela wahlola the teeth of Umkhize. Amazinyo kaMkhize. Nes, buka. Look at this huge hole. Buka lo mgodi omkhulu. Don't worry about that. Okay. Number 3, he explained. So the doctor explained. Wachaza udokotela that he, what he would do. Uguti, he would do what? Uzokwenzani. Kwenzani. Yeah, so I will fill up ngizogcwalisa teeth, which are 3, amazinyo, amatatu, and I wipe all the others. Ngisule onke amanye. Okay, so let us hope. Asithembe, si is now coming from us. Asithembe, I won't be hurt. Angizukulimala. Yeah, so we have another A in front with this negative stuff. Aguko. We have a ngi in there for me. Angizukulimala. Okay, so number 4. Umkhize, he was frightened. Watuswa, to see. Ugubona, the injection. Umjovo. He then fell down. Waze wawa. Yay, there it is. There, here we go. We nako gelok. Nako gelok. The doctor says, I've never seen ngibone. I've never seen a coward which is big, which is so big. Ngibone igwala elikhulu kangaka. How?
Ngibone is coward.
I've seen. Bona is coming from C. Igwala is a coward. Elikhulu, which is big. A big coward. Filling up the teeth. Ukugcwalisa amazinyo. So, Mamsomi no gogo. What does that mean?
And Granny.
Yeah. They waited. Balinda for Umkhize. Balinda Umkhize, who was filling up egcwalisa the teeth, amazinyo, at the doctor. Kudokotela. Ugogo uti, gogo. Would you listen to that? Would you listen? Awuzwe. He is crying like a pig. Ukhalisa okwengulube. Ingulube is a pig. Ingulube. And he's saying, hey, I'm dying. We mame, we ngafabo, we mame. Oh, shame. Shame. My love is tandwa sami. The love of mine is tandwa sami. Udokotela, he scolded him. Wamthethisa Umkhize for acting, for behaving, literally for carrying himself badly. Ngokuziphatha kabi. So kuhle was good, kubi is bad, kabi over here is badly. Okay, now he's saying, carry yourself well, behave yourself well, man. Ziphathe kahle ndoda. Even the children, nezingane, they don't behave themselves aziziphathi as you are doing. Njengoba wenza. Umkhize says, oh, come on, doctor. Kahle dokotela. I'll take courage. Ngithathe isibindi. The doctor finished. Udokotela waqeda. Yeah. Exactly. That takes a lot of practice too. Yeah. Waqeda to fill up. Ukugcwalisa the teeth, amazinyo, without difficulty. Ngaphandle kobunzima. Okay, I've now finished. Sengi edile. You can stand up. Ungasukuma. And just suguma. Suguma means stand up. Exactly. Umkhize uthi, how? I thought, Bengiti, you hadn't yet started. Awukaqaqali. So, coming out. Ephuma. Umkhize denied. Umkhize waphika. Uguti, that it was him, nguye, who was crying, obekhala, inside, ngaphakathi. Why were you crying? Ubukhalelani, phakathi, inside. Hayi, I didn't cry, me. Angikhalanga mina. It was another, elinye coward, igwala of a man, lendoda, that was crying, ebelikhala, pagati, inside. Tos yaphela. The story is finished. Yeah. Amen.